Hi, I'm Josh Evilsizor, and today I'm going to show you why you should absolutely be using custom search engines to search any website and just move around your web space a lot faster. Let's go. To the outline, as we do, see my how-to video first. I'm not going to show you how to do it here, so check that video out in the description. Yep, in the description down below, and learn how to make one of these custom search engines. Just show me the goods, Josh. You bet. We're heading there. So here's the old way, which is the slow way. It is to open Google Drive in a new tab, so it could look like this. I'm sorry, in a new tab. So here's Google Drive. Here's my shortcut in the toolbar. Right-click, open a new tab. All right, so it could be that, then page load, which is what's happening right now, search in Drive. How do you do that? You enter the keyword, and you hit enter, and you get results. So we come over here and we're like, okay, atomic. I've been doing like the same search, so we'll keep up with that. And hit enter, and then you get your results. So all those clicks, right, to get to search results in Google Drive. That was what we were driving for. Here's the faster way. New tab, manually. So again, we're doing some clicking with our mouse. So new tab, there it is. This is where the shortcut starts to happen. So we select the Omnibox right here. Then we enter a keyword, which is Drive, because we're searching Google Drive, space tab, and search the term. So Drive, space or tab, what's the term? Atomic Kindle, hit enter, and we're going to get our Kindle Notes search results to show up right in here. Enter. Here's the fast way. All right. What we're not going to do is manually enter a new tab. Instead, we're going to open a new tab using a shortcut, which is Ctrl+T. Then we're going to enter the keyword, hit the space bar, and search the item and get results very rapidly. At combat speed. Here we go. Ctrl+T. There's the new tab. Drive, space bar, Atomic Kindle, enter, and we're going to have our Google Drive results, our Google Drive results show right up for us. Now, I've used Google Drive as the example for today, but this works with just about any website. So you could watch the video again from the beginning for combat speed. Where can I use this? And that's what I was driving towards here. Any website. So watch my how-to video to learn how to set it up, but some examples of websites to use to save time. Google Drive, Calendar, Gmail, Evernote, Pocket, Instapaper, and whatever website you use 1 million times a day. For me, it's Google Drive when I'm at work because I'm pulling up documents left and right. And so these shortcuts save me at least a few minutes a day, and that's going to be hours and days saved for my life. So I'm sharing this with you. I hope it is helpful for you. And if it was, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. And of course, leave questions in the comments. If you leave an awesome one, I'll leave a video response. And please do remember that in the description you can find this outline and how to reach me online. Have a great day.